हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। आपका मेरी चैनल प्रॉपर्टी इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड जर्नलिसिस में स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा प्रॉपर्टी पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट। इसमें आप लगभग दोनों चीज़ को ही लेके चल सकते हो, प्रॉपर्टी फॉर द एंड यूजर्स एंड ए गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर द इन्वेस्टर। आज हम बात करेंगे बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी इन द दिल्ली एनसीआर, ए गुड अर्बन रेजिडेंसी which is in Gurgaon at this 108 sector, namely Sobha City. Sobha City is a very good project, you can say, and out of many good builders, such like of the DLF, Godrej, Central Park, Spurji, Sobha City is one of the best, you can say, projects it is in its means lines. So that is situated on the Dwarka Expressway. It is on the 108 sector. You must be knowing that there are the three connectivity hubs coming very soon in Delhi. This name is, you can say, Anand Vihar, that second is Kaleka, third is Bijwasan. It is just nearby the Bijwasan, on that Delhi board Bijwasan, and after that in Haryana, in Gurgaon, that is the 108 sector in which Sobha City is situated. It is just nearby Dwarka township, you can say, and in that Dwarka township, you must be knowing that the International Convention Center is coming. So we can say it's a very good location at present, and at present and in future. Definitely, it will be a big star out of Delhi and Gurgaon project. So we can say that it is a very good opportunity for the investors and end users, where that international standard residence, you can say, in that one. So now I'll talk about the vicinity of that one. It is there are, you can say, around 20 projects within 1 kilometer around that one. That's just name I will that it is Cocoon, it is Termline, Caladium, Brix Lomni, that is Chintal Serenity, Chintal Paradoxa, OSB, M3M, Experience, Raheja, Godrej, Vincents, and there are many other projects just in that one. Many of the projects are just completed, and around the 75% people are living in that one. That is already occupied, families living that one. So you can see it is a well developed area in 108 sector, that is around that is near Dwarka Expressway. It is situated on the 75-meter fully operational road, and its front size, you can say, covering around half kilometer on the road. There is 32-meter, a big huge entrance in that one, and 2 of its side is just covering with the Delhi Green Reserve area. So you can say in future and in that coming years, no construction will be there in Green Reserve area. So a fresh air always you will enjoy in that one. Now I'll talk about the facilities. What are the amenities that project has provided for their users? There is a good full size of basketball court. That is also there is one volleyball court, 2 badminton court, 2 fully equipped gymnasium, and 2 big size of clubhouses. And that is one surprise I is giving you. I think you hardly will find in the good city such type of that one full cricket ground within that project, around 90-meter radius, a full cricket ground in that one. And you will get surprised, around 1 acre party lawn, around 0.600 acres that lake resort type, and after that I will say that 0.25 acres, you can say that camping ground, and a good big, you can say, swimming pool. Indoor swimming pool is also there, and there are 3 tennis court, you can say, that is full floodlights with that, and there are many other facility in that one. So you cannot miss. Definitely it is a good opportunity for investor also, and if you live in that one, you can definitely enjoy the international standard, and that generators will comes in that, families will come in that project, definitely will get a proud and a specific category of the living beings, you can say in that one. So now I will talk about that project, and then in this project, what are the units there? So 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and 3 BHK, one utility room is also available. And pricing, you'll get surprised in such type of projects. You will get with a good price starting from 1.2 crore. That is definitely in the reach of the middle class also. Of course, middle class, we can say, start from the lower middle class up to 2 lakhs income per month. Middle class is 2 to 4 lakhs per month income, and upper middle class is 4 to 8 lakh per month income. Definitely it is the reach of the middle classes and standard, like you can say, that very good high classes. So I assure you, it will give you a interesting living feelings, and if you are the investor, definitely it will like a hot cake, and your property will be much valued of that. So it is my, you can say, advise that definitely you just visit the site and have a look around that, so that you will get acquainted about the projects, and you will self take the decision of investment in that one. I assure you, it is very, very best projects in Gurgaon, not in Dwarka Expressway. It is Gurugram. It is the best projects, best residency, and is a piece of masterpiece living standard in that one. And I assure you that once you visit there, you can't miss it. Thank you very much. Just give comments about this video, and thank you once again.